note. This is the bad ending of the lenses from EAS project I made. This is just a short video. Five. One. We're drawing for like almost about 5 weeks. But what did we withdraw? Just like forever now. I've been in the ship like forever now. But whatever costs, I hope we see each other in heaven soon. See you later, everyone. The Power Rangers. Guardians who see the world have been confirmed dead. This event heals the world's fate. Eventually the gacha communities.
We interrupt this program to bring you new information. We have received word that Justin Trudeau has been found dead in his home. Police and medical teams have found no physical damage to his body and they assume he took an overdose. There was no suicide note nearby and the reasoning is unknown. We will keep you updated and provide more information when it is received.
Boris Johnson is reported dead after a gunshot was heard in 10 Downing Street. We have reports that he was found with an exit wound at the top of his head and a revolver near his hand.
Emmanuel Macron a été retrouvé mort à son domicile aujourd'hui. Selon les premières estimations, il a pris une surdose.
Pedro Sánchez ha sido encontrado muerto en su casa hoy y se estima que tomó una sobredosis.
Tell people about Nibiru, because we as a species are fed up from being treated like sheep and having such information hidden away from us.
Hold up.
Message is broadcast at the request of the United States government and authorized by the United Nations. Moments ago, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration officially confirmed the existence of a previously unknown large planetary body in the solar system, formerly known as Nibiru. They confirmed it is on an inbound trajectory towards Earth. Astronomers at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have said that based on its current position and trajectory, there is an almost 100% certainty that Nibiru and the Earth will collide.
EAS. Yes, lenses and cataclysm.
For when this will occur is in the next 15 or so minutes, or so. The planet is already visible in the sky to the eastern hemisphere, and once it gets close enough, its gravitational field will begin to pull the Earth inwards until they collide. As the planet is pulled in, things may begin to shake and vibrate uncontrollably. The whole of the Earth will feel as if it is being pulled, and during this time it is imperative that you hold on to an object such as a handle or a railing. This will in the solar system, and is over 350 times larger than Earth. When the two collide, Earth will be totally obliterated, with it being minuscule in comparison to Nibiru. This event is impossible to survive. An official advice is to gather all loved ones and embrace them for the final minutes of life. Alternatively, do any activity that comforts you, or pray to any god you worship. The ultimate aim is to ensure that during your final minutes of life, you are as calm and relaxed as possible. Suicides are unadvised as they lead to more discomfort. The collision will be fairly quick and all life on the planet will die almost instantly. Death this way is painless and suicide will inflict unnecessary emotional and physical pain. It is a personal choice as to whether or not you want to tell your children the truth or not. If you want a calm environment, do not tell your children. But if you consider hiding this information immoral, inform them of this situation in a calm and soothing manner. We as humans deserve a calm and peaceful death. We should all...
The planets are in fire right now. There's nothing we can do to stop this madness from happening. You can do nothing about this to stop this from coming. Gather all your loved ones. If you can tell the children the truth or not. If you want to call them about it, don't tell them. If you want to know the truth, we humans deserve a peaceful and inevitable extinction. Earth will transform into a worthless asteroid planet. Will be once exploded Earth. The Earth will be visible to the deplanetizers from the lenses of the ship has started to fire. I will feel like uncontrollably. And might break your home. The Earth will be just transformed into tiny bits, into rocky bits in 3 minutes. In the next 3 minutes. Embrace your one once before your 5 minutes on Earth. If you're religious, pray to your God. Hi. According to Christianity, this is the sign of the second coming of Jesus. Those who follow Christianity should worship Him, wish to ascend to heaven. If you no family religion to find comfort in, simply engage in activity that will deprive you. We should die a peaceful and never forget death. And no one there's no way to survive this event. There's a 100% search that Earth will be turned into tiny bits. It's true as the Earth hits, as it destroys Earth, as it quickly destroys Earth. It will replace everyone on the planet, including God and Jesus, including God and Christ Himself. The painless death. If it makes you more comfortable, close your eyes. We wish you a calm into life. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. And officially, the worst has come to pass. Yeah, and those, I didn't do the awakening EAS because his country didn't fall. Fought for something. We have given up. They have beaten us, but they were right about one thing. They are very inevitable. I wish you were peaceful and I guess we conclude with the final activation of the national anthem.
If it makes you more comfortable, close your eyes. We wish you a peaceful and calm.
The session is going to start now. Here within collision image, brace your And you reverse your loved ones and see your final goodbye toward the world. Oops. Conclusion. Earth was destroyed into tiny bits.
Okay, come in. Here.
We'll destroy it into tiny bits. As our universe begins to fade out. That's the last universe. We've found out that Lentotally destroyed the entire thing. Your universe. Now the universe is nothing but a void. Space crunch begins. The end.